we've been trying to help the children bring their learning to life. What we're interested in is trying to get children to bring all of their understanding outside of school, and the Festival of Ideas has been perfect for that.
We've loved the Festival of Ideas. Great place where you can just come and learn lots of new things, so many different ideas and things that people are presenting.
I think it's a brilliant opportunity for young voices in Chester, people that live in the area, to share their thoughts on important conservation ideas and protection when we talk about the River Dee.
I love thinking of ideas of how I can help my city.
I personally really enjoyed the teamwork of everyone and just bringing all the ideas together.
I think they've really learnt about history, and it's made them think about who matters in history and try to remember these people that history's forgotten.
We should remember them, because if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have had this now. We wouldn't have been able to be in the story house right now.
I think it's truly important because it does really show that these people do matter, and it obviously they didn't have an education as we do, and they made our lives much easier than theirs.
I enjoy the fact that people can come here and bring their ideas and come to life, and also make bags and customize them the way they want.
I liked it because now they can have something to bring home and they don't have to bin it.
We had the idea of duck feeders being placed near where the river is, then people can just go and feed them instead bread or whatever rubbish they're consuming.
They've given us a platform and a real life audience, and the children have been able to, instead of just recording their learning in books, been able to bring it to life, bring it to the story house, interact with members of the public, tell them all about the learning that they've done and why it means so much to them.
We just loved having an opportunity to be able to share our idea, something quite small but very important to us, and this is a lovely setting to be able to share it.
We've loved it because they now know so much more than they would have done if they'd just have been writing this in a book. Not only that, but their depth of knowledge and their sense of passion for history has just been phenomenal. So we're so grateful to the Festival of Ideas for giving us this platform. 100% recommend this to all the schools in Chester. It's such a good way of bringing learning to life for your children.
I recommend the Festival of Ideas.